Hey future doctors, welcome to NEET 2025 Test Yourself series, and the MCQs that I'm going to provide you today is from the chapter Cell. I hope you have read this chapter, revised all the concepts before attempting today's MCQ video. If you have not, pause the video, go back, revise the chapter, and then continue with the video. This is Dr. Sharun. Let's start. First scientist to describe live cell was Robert Hooke, Antoine von Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown, or Schwann. First scientist to describe live cell. The correct answer is option B. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first described a live cell. Who proposed the cell theory for the first time? We are talking about the first time proposal of cell theory, not the modified cell theory. Sleiden and Schwann, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Brown, Robert Hooke. The correct answer is option A, Sleiden and Schwann. Who proposed omnis cellula e cellulae? Rudolf Virchow, Robert Brown, Schwann, Antoine von Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is option A. Rudolf Virchow proposed omnis cellula e cellulae. Smallest cell is mycoplasma, bacteria, algae, virus. Smallest cell. The correct answer is option A. Mycoplasma. The approximate diameter of human RBC is 7 micron, 11 micron, 5 micron, or 9 micron. The correct answer is option A. It is approximately 7 micron. Gram staining classifies bacteria into gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. This is based on character of cell envelope, cell membrane, cytoplasm, or nucleus. So which part of the cell is used for classification of organism into gram-positive and gram-negative organism? The correct answer is option A, cell envelope. Based on whether the cell envelope takes up gram stain or not, it is classified into gram-positive or gram-negative organisms respectively. What is the function of mesosomes? Cell wall formation, DNA replication, distribution of daughter cells, all of above. The correct answer is option D, it is all of above. Endomembrane system includes all except ER, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, vacuole, mitochondria. So which of the following is not part of endomembrane system? The correct answer is option D. Mitochondria is not part of endomembrane system. Mitochondria contains 80S ribosomes, 70S ribosomes, both 80S and 70S ribosomes, no ribosomes. Mitochondria contains. The correct answer is option B. It contains 70S ribosome. In acrocentric chromosome, centromere is situated close to its end. Centromere is terminal. Centromere is located in middle. Centromere is slightly away from the center. Acrocentric chromosome. The correct answer is option A. Centromere is situated close to its end. Which is a substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? E. coli is a bacteria. It is a prokaryotic cell. Golgi body, mesosome, ribosome, glyoxysome. The correct answer is option B. Mesosome is a substitution of mitochondria. Which of the following organelle does not contain RNA? Plasma lemma, ribosomes, chromosomes, nucleolus. Does not contain RNA. Correct answer is option A. Plasma lemma does not contain RNA. Cellular organelles with membranes are lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, nuclei, ribosome, mitochondria, chromosomes, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nuclei. Which of the following cell organelle is bound by a membrane? The correct answer is option A, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. All three organelles have a membrane around it. Cellulose is the major component of cell wall of Saccharomyces, Pythium, Xanthomonas, Pseudomonas. Cellulose is the major component of cell wall of. The correct answer is option B, Pythium. Saccharomyces, Xanthomonas, Pseudomonas are prokaryotic cells. They do not have cellulose as a major component of the cell wall. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in mitochondria, proplastids, glyoxysomes, peroxisomes. In germinating seed, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in. Correct answer is option C, glyoxysomes. Nucleus is enclosed in double non-porous layer, double porous layer, single non-porous, single porous. Now we know nucleus is a double membrane bound organelle and there are nuclear pores between. So the correct answer is option B, double porous layer. Which of the following cell organelle is having single layer unit membrane? Centrosome, lysosome, mesosome, nucleus. Which of the following cell organelle is having single layer unit membrane? So which of the organelles is having single membrane outside? Correct answer is option B. Lysosome has a single membrane. Arrangement of genes in chromosome is linear, ovoid, diffuse, spiral. Correct answer is option A. It is linearly arranged genes in chromosome. Smallest known cell is Acantobularia, Nostoc, Chlamydomonas, Pleuropneumonio-like organism or PPLO. The correct answer is option D, PPLO. Who invented electron microscope? Knoll and Ruska, Robert Brown, Correns, Janssen and Janssen. The correct answer is option A, Knoll and Ruska. The main difference between plant and animal cell is animal cells lack cell wall, plant cells lack cell wall, animal cells have rigid cell wall, plant cells lack cell membrane. Correct answer is option A, animal cells do not have cell wall. 70S type of ribosome shows two subunits whose sedimentation constants are 40S 30S, 50S 20S, 50S 30S or 60S 20S. Correct answer is option C, 50S 30S. A myeloblast is concerned with absorption of water, absorption of light, storage of fat, storage of starch. The correct answer is option D. It is concerned with storage of starch. Cell organelles found only in plant. Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid, ribosomes. Only in plant. The correct answer is option C. Plastids are found only in plants. They are not found in animal cells. DNA is not present in one of the following: mitochondria, chloroplast, bacteriophage, tobacco mosaic virus. Not present in one of the following. The correct answer is option D. Tobacco mosaic virus is a RNA virus. It does not contain DNA. Function of centriole is formation of spindle fibers, formation of nucleolus, initiation of cell DNA, formation of cell plates. Function of centriole. The correct answer is option A. It is formation of spindle fibers. Basal bodies are associated with development of cilia flagella, cell plate, phragmoplasts or kinetochore. Basal bodies are associated with development of. Correct answer is option A, cilia and flagella. Protoplasm is true solution, suspension, emulsion, polyphasic colloid system. Correct answer is option D. It is a polyphasic colloid system. Who proposed the theory that cells arise from pre-existing cells? Moll, Virchow, Haeckel or Brown? The correct answer is option B, Virchow. LPS is found in gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, both A and B, neither A nor B. Now this is little out of NCERT. What is LPS? What does LPS stand for? LPS stands for lipopolysaccharide. Okay, and where is LPS found? It is found in the outer part of the membrane of gram-negative bacteria. So the correct answer is option B, gram-negative bacteria. You can just remember it. LPS is found in gram-negative bacteria. So those were the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video with the MCQ series, and the next chapter that we are covering is biomolecules. So again, read up the chapter before attempting the MCQ series. I hope you're finding the series helpful, and you know the drill. If you are finding the series helpful, do like and share it with your friends. Also, you can let us know down in the comment section if you need something else for your NEET preparation. I'll try my best to help you out with your NEET preparation so that you can crack the NEET exam and get into your dream medical college. So that would be all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share the video like I already told you. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.